How to fix face authentication problem on Poppo Live. So basically a guide or a few options you can try to potentially help with this problem. So of course, before doing any face authentications, you're gonna make sure your front camera does work properly. You can try opening the camera app and see if it does work, and ensure you are in a reasonably well lit environment. So it's not too dark, not direct glare or black light when attempting with face verification. And also try removing any screen protectors or cover that might block or distort the front camera. And make sure your face is actually clear of any let's say glasses. You take off the stuff, just show your bare face. But anyways, the first thing you could potentially do to help you with this problem is to simply clear some cache in your settings. So you can just do this in your device over here inside your settings. At this point, just go ahead and search for apps. It's much easier this way instead of looking for it. So once you find apps, go to Poppo Live, and once you're there, you can just go ahead and search it as well. Just go ahead and press on the clear cache options. Uh, Once you've tried that, you can also go ahead and try rebooting your phone, since a simple reboot can clear temporary glitches. So, since some phones or apps may say device not supported for face authentication, this could mean your model does lack necessary hardware. So, if you already set up your face though, you can try deleting the face data and registering it. You can go back to your settings over here inside the face recognition or wherever the face authentication you can find. In my case, it's here in the security password, and we can just go ahead and reset and try doing the face verification process all over again. And finally, the other option, you have left is to just go ahead and try updating your software. You can do that over here in your settings. Go to your about phone, and if you have any updates that you haven't done yet, you can try doing so. So I have a few over here, but I'm not gonna do that as now. And also the app, of course, make sure it's at the latest version. So update that in the Play Store. You can search for it as so over here in your Play Store and search for Poppo, and just update it if there's any updates. If you do see an update button, that's pretty much the only options you have for now. The most important thing is clear environment when you're taking your face verification. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.